Hi, how you doing? I'm Tony Gambino, and I gotta tell you something funny really happened to me the other day. Well, fun and funny, you know what I mean? Somebody sent me a video response to something I said on the internet. And I think that's really great. I think that's really something. Technology is a beautiful thing. And that somebody is Honest John. And Honest John, I gotta tell him, Honest John, you were very respectful in that video. I love being called Mr. Gambino. But I don't want you to be afraid of me. I don't want any of that. I don't want you to feel like you gotta respect me because otherwise, an accident could happen. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm just a businessman. So here's the deal. Because I like you, and because you showed me you got some balls, what I'm gonna do, because I've been considering, I gotta expand my business. Penfield is a beautiful place, but sometimes you gotta step out of your comfort zone. Take a look around, and maybe there's a profit to be made. Maybe, you can do a little extra work. And I've been wondering where I'm gonna go, and I decided, based on what you said to me in your video, that I'm gonna move my new branch office to Hollywood, California. Okay? And that way, me and you, we can be friends. We can hang out. I can have you come over. You can have a cup of coffee. You bring me to your house. You give me a glass of scotch, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And then we could understand each other. Because I look at the pictures and I see California is such a beautiful place, such a great place. Geez, you want to be there. I like to go there once in a while. But me, I'm a workaholic. And if I go someplace, I gotta be busy, okay? So I'm gonna open my new branch office in Hollywood, California, Gambino Enterprises. And I figured out where you live. It's gonna be just down the street. You're gonna fucking love it. We're gonna be together all the time. As you won't lose track of me anymore, if you know what I mean. Ha ha, it's a joke. And I know you understand a joke because you're a comedian. And you're a funny guy. And, maybe we can get together, tell each other jokes once in a while. Isn't that a good idea? And, we can talk about, whatever differences we got. That's our guy. He's my friend. I don't want him to be insulted or, anything like that. But that's okay. I'm not trying to, say nothing about that, really. That's the truth. What I want to be is close to you. Because I think you're a cool guy. So I'm going to be opening any second now my branch office in Hollywood, California, just down the street from my good new friend, Honest John. I bet you can't wait.